Hi, this is James Guru, representing Ahmad district. Nice to visit
Hi everyone, I'm Ken Lozanias, representing Alice District.
My name is Dawa, I'm from Divan District.
Actually, I am from Sir Alice District. That's it.
My name is Sunjan Kurela. I'm from Samamaligayla, from Hatin District. Thank you.
I'm Mona from Grand Avenue Phase 3. Today I'm going to represent Case District. That's it. So until 20 minutes.
Hello everyone. My name is Nelson and I am from Starbucks South Mia Boulevard Park. I'm very happy to be taking part in this competition. It's all fun. I'm enjoying myself and at the end of the day, it's the learning and the experience you get from here that matters. So either you win or you take the lesson home. Thank you. I'm from Samia District, Asim's District, representing.
Hi, my name is Salman. I am from the District, working in Al-Qudsi side. Thank you.
My name is Parsuram. I am from Bhutan, representing Hatin District in Starbucks Barista Championship Week 1. Basically, I worked in Starbucks for the last 4 years and still I am having fun working in Starbucks. I wish to work in Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, partners. My name is Karen from Starbucks Labialand, representing Bases District. Thank you.
Hey guys, this is the moment of truth.
No, stop me.
So I need to say thank you guys. You really inspire us. You gave us 6 months for everything that you did. I have a slight conversation with maybe the next champion and we can be this set of people is the best that we experienced for the best champions. So well done for everyone. I know you get confused and now we need to announce. For me, all of you are champions, so thank you very much again. Unfortunately, we have 2 winners. So the winner for 2021 for the Barista Championship, Lachi.
Very quickly, just to say congratulations to our winners. I only came in at the end. I saw both of you doing your latte art, your craft work. It was amazing, and I'm so proud of what I saw. Thank you so much indeed to Team Qatar. It's been a long day for you guys on the end of video calls, and well done to you guys back in Qatar. Everyone else here.
I don't know speech or what to say. First of all, I am really honored to be here today. And then thank you everyone for supporting me, believing in my confidence when I did not believe in myself. Especially my store manager, Sir Chandra.
Don't tell them my story, huh? Don't tell them my story.
Winning Barista Championship is like a great platform for me. It's a great empowerment for me, where I get to collaborate with the inspiring people like you, and we can go for the new innovations. This is the one thing I really wanted to be part of here, because I believe I can bring change and inspire people. Because I am here because somebody inspired me, so I want to also inspire someone. Because of somebody, I am here, so I also want to inspire and lead them. And that's the main reason why I participated here, and my hard work was paid off. So believe in hard work, guys. Never give up in life. Thank you.
So, good evening, partners. First of all, I would like to thank you each and everyone who are here present in this occasion. The next thing, as I am only a 10 months old partner, I already told that it doesn't make any difference. Once you love your job, success will come towards you. When you are passionate about something, the result will come into your favor. Not now, but at some point it will come definitely to your favor. The thing is, when I came here, I thought if I will win, what I will do, what new I can do for this region now. I am not a district, it's for, not for region. So I would like to share a small thing which I would like to innovate in this thing. It's a guest, a process of guest. If we understand the meaning of guest, we should stop calling our customers as a customers. We should treat them as a guest. If we treat them as a guest, we will 110% increase our customers as well as Starbucks experience. The reason is, only you have to understand a small meaning. G is for greetings, U is understanding your customers, E is your experience, what you will deliver to them, S is your suggestion, you can suggest whatever you can suggest to them, whatever according to their needs, and T is there, once they have done everything, thanks them. That's all I want to say.
Great speech, man.
The organizing team. Organizer team, please come here. Without you guys, this is not possible. Thank you so much for this day. This couldn't be possible without you all. So we're looking for MENA Championship on early September. So all the best for Lachi and Salman.
Thank you very much.